So I just bought this 50 amp adapter so I could plug the RV into shore power in emergencies, and it's great. I just tested it and everything, of course, but the air conditioner, microwave, and high current items work without any problems. But I don't like the stress that is put on the cord because it is such a small pigtail. I don't want that to pull through. So I was thinking to myself, this could be a great candidate for a 3D printed solution. What I could do is make a little rectangle with holes on both sides with just enough room to catch this lip. Obviously this one's quite a bit thicker than the other side, but what I could do is put little locks on both sides, snap it in place, and at least it gives some strain relief. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to try to 3D print something to solve the stress relief on this plug.
So here's an example of what I'm trying to solve. The cord's only about a foot long, so when it's hanging off, there's a lot of pull on the cord. I want to prevent that from happening in the event that it's under use, it gets stripped on or something like that. But it unplugs pretty easily. This actually has other applications too, because we can use it for either 2 extension cords or any type of other forced joining. And unfortunately, it won't be weatherproof, as it will still allow rain in. The main design is going to be just tension relief. First thing I'm going to do is get measurements on the 2 sizes of the cord. Got my trusty caliper with a brand new battery in it. First size is going to be 16.66, so we'll round it to 17 millimeter. Second size is going to be 8.5, 8.6, we'll round that up to 9. And then the size is about 118. We'll round that up to 119 or 120. So just got the print off the print bed. Actually turned out better than I expected. This is a slightly modified version than what I modeled in CAD. The first version I actually used triangles as the revolve and got my little slice of my thumb. So yeah, let's not do sharp edges on sharp 3D prints. So went through and actually made them dome shaped or rounded shape. So definitely should not have added more threads. I think in the model I'm going to go back to 4 or 5 threads for a final drift. If I do another print, this might be completely suitable because it is really strong. And as you can see, it actually works really well. And this was designed for, unfortunately, we'll have holes in them and they'll even line up and, you know, looks kind of cool, but threads actually start pretty easily. So this large piece here will go on the thicker cord, and this is a smaller gauge, so this will go on the smaller cord. Slide them together. And there, it's now under, oh, a little too tight there. I should start to feel it deform. But there you go. That is not going to come apart no matter how much pulling you have on it. The cord will actually break first. And that is really a nice design. Thanks for stopping by. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.